Today we're going to use the red tractor with the bucket and the red tipper truck to fix a gravel road.
Kip and Finn!
We drive the big red tractor out to the gravel pit. Hey Finn! Pa fills the tractor bucket with gravel, and then he pours it into the back of the truck. One more bucket of gravel. Okay, let's go! Hey cows! Dad drives the red tractor and Pa drives the red truck. This is the road we want to fix. Pa pulls the lever in the truck cab. Up goes the tipper and the gravel slides off the truck's tray and onto the road. Let's play in the gravel! Kip and Finn brought their trucks and tractors and also helped to fix the road. Pa uses the bucket on the tractor to smooth the gravel on the road. The cows come to watch us work. The red tractor is such a big, powerful machine, and it helps us with so many different farm jobs. Yay, we fixed the road. It's time to head back to the shed. Pa parks the tractor in the shed. And Dad parks the truck in the shed. Back to the house. That's the farm cat. If you like our videos, please subscribe. We hope to see you on our next farm adventures.